Welcome to PaidToday, how to sell your projects on the marketplace as products. If you've got 7-day meal plans, workout plans, used for a number of different things, this is a great way to sell those, and you can kind of bundle them along with courses and other things like that. But first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up your projects tab on the left sidebar here. If you don't have a project created, go ahead and create one. We're just going to use this 7-day keto diet plan right here. We're going to make a product out of this. So we're going to go ahead and open that up. And on the top right, we're going to go ahead and click Edit Project. We can see we've got our 7 days, and then each day has the comments for the meal plan on what you eat that day. So we're going to go ahead and click Edit Project on the top right. And under the options, we're going to click Create Product, and that's going to take us into the product creation section, and you can see that it brought in some of the information that we had. So let's just go ahead and enter some of this stuff in really quick. Okay, now that we got some of that basic info put in there, we're just going to go is purchasable, is taxable, and show in the marketplace. It does not require shipping. And then let's go ahead and upload a logo. We'll just click upload or choose logo, and we're going to use that one for the logo. And then for the cover image, we'll just search for on Unsplash a keto image. Maybe we can get a long one. That should work. And then for our sales video, we're going to go ahead and paste in a URL for that. There we go. Alright, so we're looking good here. And then all we got to do now is save the product. So now that our project is saved as a product, we can check it out on the marketplace. So we just go over here to the marketplace, and then we can see that we have our project that has been created and available to purchase on the marketplace for anyone to use with their PaidToday subscriptions. So if I wanted to install this, let's just go ahead and buy it, and I'll show you what that looks like. So we're here, we're looking at it. Oh, we bought it. And then if we go back to our projects now that it's been purchased, we have 2 of them here. Because I'm the one that created it and then sold it and then rebought it, you can see that now there's 2. The other cool thing is in the marketplace here, you can see that our sales video is here, and then our description and our inventory and stock and shipping and all that. So that's how you sell projects as products on the marketplace.